Today, the group publishes its annual report for 2014. Are you satisfied with the result?
Well, I'm very happy with the results. We have a result of $5.2 billion, which is the highest in the group's history. And the underlying performance of all the businesses is up 33% compared to last year at a result of $4.5 billion. So I'm very, very satisfied, and I really hope that all our employees around the world are a bit proud as well. This is a great result.
The group is divesting its 20% ownership stake in Danske Bank. Can you tell us why we're doing this and what will happen with the gain?
Well, we're divesting Danske Bank following the divestment of Dansk Supermarket in order to concentrate on our core businesses, which is shipping and oil-related services. And having divested Danske Bank now, we are focused on that. So everything we do is within those industry areas. And in addition to that, the divestment is also a long-standing wish from our minority shareholders, who I'm sure will be very happy with it, not least because we're distributing the whole proceeds from the sale as a very, very large dividend to them. So I think it will be well received in the market as well.
Can you tell us about the oil price? What impact has that had on the group?
Well, I think it's very important to underline that we are taking a different approach to the oil market at the moment than most of our competitors. We want to move forward and invest, and you'll see that we just approved the investment in Johan Sverdrup in Norway with $1.8 billion our share. We do expect also to approve the investment in the Culzean field in the North Sea, which is a giant gas field, and we'll invest probably around $3 billion in that, and that will also be approved in the first half of this year. So we're moving forward on the oil side. Having said that, of course, we need to also make sure we're competitive, so we're also looking at the cost of our oil businesses and oil services businesses, but our way is forward. If you look at the effect short-term on the group, we're not that affected because we make a little bit less money on the oil we sell, but therefore we also save money on the fuel in the shipping businesses.
About the low oil price environment, why are we still investing in the energy side? Shouldn't we maybe invest in the shipping side?
Well, we believe that the oil industry is attractive as an investment opportunity going forward, but I think it's very important to realize that our main investments this year will also be in the shipping part. We will invest over the next 5 years in the area of $3 billion a year in Maersk Line, and we've also allocated a couple of billions a year to Maersk or to APM Terminals. So we are quite aggressive in the transportation area as well.
Maersk Line has increased its profit by 50% since 2013. Can you tell us how they did that, and can we expect it to happen again?
Well, the really, really strong result in Maersk Line this year came on the back of also a very strong performance last year compared to the rest of the industry. And the way they do it is that they continuously focus on cost. They continuously focus on having a capacity set up that is not too large. So we basically just make sure that we have the capacity to grow in line with the market and making sure that the cost fits to that. And I think that is, in short, their success recipe. But it's a lot of work. It's tough to reduce cost every year, every quarter. They've done it. And one of the most significant areas that we have focused on have, of course, been the fuel consumption, which gives the added benefit that we also emit much less CO2, being successful also on the environmental front. So it's great work.